Whether you're an online t-shirt seller, have a small clothing brand online, or are looking to start one of the most time-consuming aspects of selling t-shirts online is actually creating them. You either have to design everything yourself or hire a designer to make them for you. Placeit's online t-shirt templates offer a much better alternative that let you quickly and easily make hundreds of unique and creative t-shirt designs. You don't need to be a creative genius or know how to use Photoshop or Illustrator to get professional results. Let's get started making our t-shirt design by going over to the top left-hand side where it says Designs, and then sliding over to where it says T-shirt Design Templates and clicking on that. Here we're going to see all the different t-shirt design templates that Placeit has for us to use, and as you can see, there are hundreds of different options to choose from. So actually picking one can be a little tricky since there are so many good designs to use. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the template that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Let's get started creating our t-shirt design by editing our template. We go over to the left-hand side where we have all our different text options. So here we have our two input boxes for the text. So here for a good time is this piece of text here, and not a long time is this piece here. So super easy to edit. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that box and start typing the text. So for example, let's say that I want my t-shirt to say, can't get enough. And then on the second line, I'm just going to do the same thing. Summer vibes. Cool. So you'll notice we have these two little numbers next to each piece of text. So the first one is the number of characters we currently have, and the second number is the maximum number of characters that are going to fit on that line, just so they don't, go beyond the design. Something to keep in mind when you're typing your text here. To the left, we have check marks, and if we click on those let us get rid of a piece of text. So for example, I'm going to click on the first one, and it gets rid of that first piece of text. I'm going to go ahead and click it again, and it just adds it back to the design. So it's super easy to see the results in real time and super easy to edit. Below, we have the font picker button. I'm going to click on it, and we get a drop down with all these different fonts that we can choose from. I'm going to choose this one called Cigarettes and Coffee, and we can see what that font looks like. So I think I like that, and I'll leave it as it is. I'll go ahead and change the second line of text here to also be this font. So I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the font picker button for this line of text. I'll click on it, we'll get the drop down, and I'll just choose the font that I want. Cool. Now to the right of the font picker button, we also can choose the color for that line of text. So I'll just click on it, and we get a bunch of preset colors to choose from. We can just click on any one of these, like this, and it's going to change that color. Or, let me just go back. We can also click on More. It's going to open up this little window here that lets us be really precise with the color. So we can just click and drag. Any color that we could possibly imagine, we could choose. We could also input the hex code for a color right here if we happen to have that. And then to set the color, we would just click on Choose. So super easy. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to black in this case. Next, I'm going to move over to the right-hand side where we have our different graphic options. So here we have main graphic color. I'll just click on it, and once again, we get a bunch of preset colors to choose from, or we can click on More just as with the text. So I think I'll leave it as it is for now. Next, we can choose the main graphic. So we have a bunch of different options for this particular template. Each template is going to have different options. So we're going to have backgrounds, borders, all kinds of different things. So for this one, we just have one main graphic. Let me see here. I think I will pick this one here. Let's take a look. As you can see, the graphic shows up super fast, so we can preview the design in real time. I think this one looks really good, so leave it as it is. And finally, we have a background color right here. So I'll just click on it, and let's see here. I think I'm going to change it to a nice yellow. That looks pretty good. Maybe we try a lighter shade here. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, perfect. Once I'm satisfied with my design and I'm ready to download it, I simply go to this top section here where we have the big blue download button, and I click on that. We're going to get this little window that gives us the image format. It's going to be a PNG and the size, so 4,000 by 5,600 pixels. And then we just simply click on purchase, and we would follow those steps. And that's how easy it is to quickly make a professional t-shirt design with Placeit's t-shirt design templates. And since it's so quick, you can easily test out different variations of one design and see which one your customers like best. You can also quickly test out new ideas for t-shirt designs that would otherwise take hours just to test out. Placeit also has an unlimited subscription, which is perfect for t-shirt sellers. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to all of Placeit's t-shirt design templates. You also get unlimited access to all of our mockups and videos, so you can quickly go from creating your t-shirt design to creating some amazing mockups, and then finally some brilliant ads that are going to help you sell those t-shirts online. So if you're a t-shirt seller, let Placeit be the one-stop shop that fuels your business.